unlock the full potential of your Adobe Digital Editions library and transform it into universally accessible PDFs. First, ensure you have Adobe Digital Editions installed and that the ebook you wish to convert is properly authorized and downloaded within the application. For this process, we'll need a specific tool designed to handle digital rights management, or DRM. You'll need to search for and download a reliable plugin or application that works in conjunction with Adobe Digital Editions. Many of these tools are freely available on the internet, so conduct your search using terms like ADE DRM Removal Plugin or Ebook Converter for Adobe Digital Editions. Once you've found and downloaded the appropriate plugin or application, follow its specific installation instructions. This usually involves placing files in a designated folder within your Adobe Digital Editions installation directory. Carefully read any accompanying README files for precise placement details. After installation, restart Adobe Digital Editions. You should then see an option within the Applications menu, often under Tools or Extensions, indicating that your new plugin is active. If you don't see this, double-check the installation steps. Now, locate the ebook you want to convert in your Adobe Digital Editions library. Right-click on the book title in the context menu that appears. You should now see a new option added by the plugin, such as Convert to PDF or Remove DRM and Export to PDF. Select this new option. The plugin will now work to remove the DRM protection and begin the conversion to PDF format. This process may take a few moments, depending on the size of the ebook and the speed of your computer. Once the conversion is complete, the plugin will typically save the new PDF file to a location you've specified or a default folder. You can now open this PDF with any standard PDF reader, allowing for easier offline access, sharing with trusted individuals where permitted, and long-term personal archiving. Remember to always respect copyright laws when converting and using your ebooks.